Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Yvonne and you're welcome to Yvonne's Easy Life Hacks. Now in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you the local traditional way of tying your tummy after delivery to get that flat tummy and help in the snapback process, okay? Now this is the content you would like to see. Please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. Welcome back, guys. So I have 3 kids and I learned this from my late mom. She is of the Bini tribe from Edo State, and from when I was like really little, I used to see her do it for other women and I just knew it growing up. Now after delivery, long before all the waist trainers, waist this, waist that, this is how our parents, our grandmothers, our great-grandmothers have been doing their snapback, have been tying their tummies. Now I am Delta Igbo and they have a different way of doing it, but the way they tie their tummy in the Delta Igbo axis, it ends up cutting the tummy, like leaving it does something weird. But this other style I'm going to teach you now, please, when you do it and it works for you, just come and drop a comment underneath telling me well done, thank you for sharing this secret tip with me, with you, okay? So why am I saying all this? I'm saying all this to say you don't have to waste your money getting waist trainers, getting any tights or all of those things to help you snap back, okay? What you need is a bath material first and foremost. You know what a bath material is. Now if you grew up with like moms who tie wrapper a lot, you know that material they normally put at the top of the wrapper or at the side when it's not long enough. Just go to the market and then you want bath material, okay? Buy 2 yards. I'm saying buy 2 yards because a yard is by 36 and this length is the length of 2 yards. So I like the 2 yards length, okay? And then buying 2 yards also helps you ensure that you have a lot more of this so that you can change out, wash, and all of that good stuff, okay? So I have my tape right here, and I just want to measure to see how many inches you are going to have the bath cut into, okay? So looking at it like this, we have about 11 inches on the width, okay? So you're going to when I did mine, I got 4 pieces of this from it. So you can either tell them to fold the 2 yards into 4 and cut, or fold it into 3 and cut, or just use the 11 inches and then you have them weave around the edges, okay, so that it doesn't fray quickly. That's the first thing you are going to need. The second thing you are going to need is just a you know how they sell this in the market too. You know how they sell these packs of baby pins. They sell it looks just like this. These baby pins, you're going to need like 4 or 6 of it, just so you have, because they really go missing so often. Just so you have backups, you're going to need 4 or 6 of it, and that is all you are going to need, okay? You would typically use 2 of these baby pins per time. You would use 2 of these baby pins per time, not more than 2, okay? So I'm going to stand up now and show you how to tie your tummy. All right, so this is your stomach area. This is you can see where the edge started from. You are going to, can you see what I did? Just like you are tying wrapper, just put it around like this, but let there just be a little give here, okay? And then you're going to open this up, open it up like this, and take it round your tummy. Take it round all the way to the front, okay? Now when you get here, you're going to drag this one backwards to make it tight, okay? Drag it backwards to make it tight. And then you take your baby pin and you pin this one together. Be very careful so you don't injure yourself. Pin it to keep it in place. That's like the hook. And then at the bottom part, you drag the one underneath and drag this one on top. Fold. See this part right here? Just fold it in. I can use this and put on a free wear on it and it doesn't show. Okay. Now, I'm going to take the second baby safety pin and I am going to pin it, choke it through, pin it, and there you have it. Can you see? That is all. The baft is so strong that even when you sit, like, can you see, even when I'm like trying to force my tummy out, like it's still holding it in, unlike those usual girdles and tights that doesn't do all that. You do this immediately after delivery. You do this for 2 weeks straight. Like as soon as you get home, sometimes even from the hospital, as soon as you just put to bed, especially if you gave birth through vaginal delivery, not CS, please, if you disclaimer, or if you gave birth through cesarean section, please don't do anything because you have a scar. Allow yourself to heal. Allow yourself to heal, please. Please, please, please. This tip is only for those women who gave birth through vaginal delivery, that they don't have any scar or injury on the tummy area, okay? So you just tie your tummy like this, 24 hours, like when you tie your tummy like this 24 hours for 2 weeks. But you ensure that you change, because you're tying this directly on the tummy. Ensure that you change this at least once a day. So you have your bath in the morning and then you get a fresh one and wrap. And then when you're having your bath in the evening, you take a second fresh one and wrap. That's why I said buy 2 yards so that you have extra to change with, and then you can wash it ahead of the next day. It's bathed, it dries really, really quickly, very easy. By morning it's already dried, and then you just keep on doing that. And another thing I would advise is you try to get bio oil or Vaseline Blue Seal and ensure that you rub this around your tummy area, towards the back axis, like wherever this material is going to cover. Make sure you rub the bio oil or the Vaseline on your bare skin first before you wrap it like this. And that is all you have to do, and your tummy is coming back. Like it's not easy. It's going to take a lot of discipline, but if you can do this, you will be very, very happy with the results. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end, and until I come your way again, love you all. Bye guys.